Hello everyone, this is Sans. In this video, I will be going over the reasons due to which the Bitcoin mining stocks are going down. Riot, MARA, Hive, and the other mining stocks have recently not been following the trend of BTC. In this video, I will be providing my take on what we can do from here. Let's first specifically talk about Riot and MARA. There are different kinds of trading going on with these two stocks. There are long-term investors, day traders, swing traders, options, and shorts. The institutional traders are the active market participants who are using algorithms to make buying and selling decisions. Some of these algorithms might be treating Bitcoin mining stocks as a technology company, and the miners are going down with the tech companies. Now we have to consider that the revenue of the miners is from the price of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. The algorithms may have to be adjusted as the Bitcoin miners cannot be valued in the same way as a tech company because the revenue is coming from Bitcoin. The price of BTC has also gone down from 64K to 56K as of now, while the stock of a company like Riot has gone down from the 60s to as low as 29 as of now. Guys, the stock market is one thing, but the underlying business is another thing. The markets can become irrational, but eventually, over time, in the long term, we do get to a stage of rationality. When the BTC consolidation is over and Bitcoin starts flying again, the momentum in the mining space can rapidly shift to the upside. Now let's talk about the BTC chart and graphs about the Bitcoin holding in Binance, and then we will come back to this. Right now, the 50-day SMA is acting as support. If BTC goes below the 50-day SMA, then in the short term, it would be bearish. If we see over here, BTC had a wick down below the 50-day SMA and it hit the horizontal support of around 47,000 and then it came back up. In this area over here, BTC might have a wick down to 51,000 and then come back up, but that would not be bearish in the longer time frames like the daily and the weekly time frame. If you are bullish on BTC, you have to wait for Bitcoin to go above this brown box over here, as there is resistance in the 58 to 59K range. We have to wait now since the momentum is to the downside. What you can do is put some limit orders over here around the 51,500 range in case we get a wick down there and your order might get filled. We were trying to break out above 58 to 59K and we had 3 attempts over here, but now we have come back down. Right now, the algorithms in the case of Riot and MARA are trying to take advantage of short selling opportunities. It's very important for BTC to break out above 58 or 59K. I mentioned this in my previous video on Riot blockchain. When we do break out above 58 or 59K, the algorithms will be flashing buy signals. This is when we have institutions buying, swing traders buying, and long-term retail investors also buying. And that's when, guys, we have those exaggerated movements to the upside. As we see here on the Riot chart, Riot stock went up from around 30 to 79 in just 9 days. As we see here on this graph from Glassnode, till October of 2020, we had the accumulation phase in BTC before the bull run began. And then from October of 2020 to Jan 2021, people were selling to lock in some profits. And then from Jan 2021 to March, the selling has slowed down, which shows that the confidence in the BTC market is increasing. And now we are in the reaccumulation phase. Some people are also rotating from BTC to altcoins. Guys, just wanted to ask something. It does take a lot of time and effort to make these videos, so if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. As we see here, the BTC balance on Coinbase is decreasing, which shows that institutions are sending BTC to their wallets. The Binance balance is expanding, and in Binance you can buy a lot of altcoins. So there are some people who are converting BTC to alts. Recently, the altcoins have rallied while BTC consolidates, but soon the BTC rally will begin again. The tech stocks in the industry are getting discounted since the time value of money is decreasing because of the rising interest rates. The overall stock market has also gone down. Over here, the Nasdaq was up by about 10% in 2021, and historically, the Nasdaq has only gone up about 10 to 15% in a year. Currently, we have come down by about 6 to 7%, and there is more room to the downside. The next level of support is 12,961 and then 12,743. Guys, do not panic no matter what the situation. This has happened before in the Bitcoin mining space, and we need to wait patiently for BTC to break out above the 58 to 59K range. And after that, RIOT, MARA, Hive, Argo blockchain, and the other mining stocks will all recover. I am not a financial advisor, and please do your due diligence and research. That's it for this video. If you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.